Hey guys, welcome back. Recently got this Liberty Walk Lamborghini Aventador. There you go. Never was the best at phonics, but anyway, I can spell like dog, cat, run, and some four-letter words like stop. Anyway, gonna unbox this Aoshima kit that I just got from Hobby Nut Models, and some of you guys were like, sorry for the ring light glare, but anyway, this box is really shiny. Some of you guys were like, yeah, I'd like to see the insides of it. I've opened just the box up, not really looked at anything. So, without further ado, it is cool, very cool. I mean, that's mean. Anyway, we're gonna check it out. So here we go. And it's blue. I knew it was blue. That was like a shock to me. But yeah, so get all these parts. I did notice it has like blue tinted glass, which is pretty neat. It's not like, I mean, it's clear, right? It's clear, but if you look at it like from the side, it almost looks like blue. I don't know if I'm sure it was intentional, but yeah, it's got like a blue tint. Anyway, there's your windows. There's all the glass. Very nice. Super nice stuff. Very nice. Silence my phone before it goes off. And annoy you guys with that. It annoys me more than anybody. So let's just get these parts out. See what's cool. Here's the instruction. Wow, this is a dang book. And oh, it's got the look at the decals. Just get right off topic right to begin with. So it's got the black trim that would be on your windows, you know, go around your windshield. That's what that is, different black trim. It's like a sticker. And it's got some decals. Hold on, no, these are stickers. It is thundering outside. Wow, that's stickers. Anyway, it looks like they're die cuts. I can see the cut. So yeah, that's stickers. I'm pretty sure. All kind of little stickers there. That's kind of peculiar. Yeah, they are. Oh no, here's the decals. So those are stickers. And then here are actual water slide decals. Okay. Oh, I guess if you wanted to, I don't know, because a lot of these are the same. So these are all your decals are for your tires and all kind of little stuff. Things so small you can't even read it, and it's in Japanese anyway, so you couldn't read it anyway. So there's those, and then here are some more stickers. For some reason, those are like some interior pieces or something like that. Joseph's going out. That's all right. So. Yeah, that's kind of different. Never really saw a kit that came with stickers. I mean, I have seen some like snap kits that do, but pretty sure this ain't a snap kit. I'm telling you, when I say this is like a book, this thing is like a book. It almost feels like a calendar. No, it's not a calendar. Oh, those are fancy. So yeah, there's your very simple. So it is a curbside, by the way, sort of. Look at that. It doesn't have like a detailed bottom of the engine. It's like covered, which maybe it was that way. Maybe it's, you know, some of those fast cars don't really have an underside of the engine that's showing because of aerodynamics. That almost looks like a little toy, to be honest with you. It does. But I don't think it'll look like a toy when it's all said and done. And I'm not going to labor you with all the... Okay, there's the engine right there. So it doesn't have a full detailed engine. But okay, so the bottom of the chassis looks really nice. Oh, it's got the brake caliper decals. Wow. Carbon fiber brakes. But yeah, there's the engine. Well, it looks like it's got some detail, but it's just the top. I don't think there's an engine. Ooh, there's thunder outside. Alright, so there's the book. I don't really get into the instruction stuff real heavy. That's okay. Let's open up this big bag here. So what I've noticed as far as my dealings with Aoshima kits is they seem to me not near as detailed as like a Tamiya kit or a Fujimi, like some of the Fujimi kits. And some of the Fujimi kits are curbsides, but you know, there's some of them that are like super detailed. But this would be a fun build, because this just doesn't look like it would take you 6 months to build it. But yet, look at this. It's got some nice details. There's a computer board, looks like right there. Got your very own laptop that comes with this thing. Door panels, those are sweet. Look at those seats, man, those are nice. And the dashboard, and that's the underside of the chassis. So there you go. That looks nice though. I don't see any reason why this couldn't detail right up and look really nice. There's your steering wheel and steering column. I think the power may be going to go out here in a second because it keeps flashing. I'll get these opened. Give you some ASMR. I never knew what that was till my girls be watching YouTube and watching these videos of people like eating carrots and stuff. And I'm like, what are you doing? What are you watching? It's ASMR. I'm like, oh, okay. So this is ASMR right here. Or model guy ASMR is this. Nothing. Isn't that ridiculous? All the little baggies of goodies. See if we can't figure out what some of these are. There's wheels. There's the wheels. Those are nice. And we'll open the body here. And I promise I'm gonna talk about this stuff in just a second. But I didn't want to like spoil it and like check it all out before you guys saw it, because this is the first for me too. Alright, and the tires. I'll get those opened up. Alright, oh, nice. Alright, so, I guess why don't we just look at the body? Not just the body, but you know what I mean. So it's already made in a really cool metallic plastic. So it's metallic. So you guys who don't like to paint models, just get you this one. It's already nice and shiny and everything. And maybe that's why they give stickers, like if you just want to do it like that. Probably so. Looking for some little bit of a mold line right here. Parting line. Not a problem at all. And there's not many after that. Now this, I hear the rain starting to come down outside. This thing has got some big monster fender flares. I don't know. Okay, here's some of that stuff here. So the flares, like they're already on the body. But I guess, somehow or another, there's the pins right there. So looks like it would go, this would go right on this. Oh, that's so blurry, can't tell anything. Anyway, yeah, so it's got these all these body kit parts, but they look like they would be nice because they have all these pins. See the alignment holes? You see those alignment holes? No, Matthew, I can't see them at all. It's so darn blurry. Alignment holes right there. There they are. And you see those right down here. And then like all these parts have nice alignment pins, so that would make life a lot easier. There's your rear view mirrors and some other parts. There's for the deck lid. Deck lid. The engine compartment. We go right there. I don't know if that's hinged or not, or if it just comes off. I'm not sure. But yeah, the body though, it's got the nice rivet, or not rivet, but you know how the flares are bolted on there. That looks good. Cool. Cool car. Could you imagine having something like that and driving it? Wow. It's like a spoiler for the back. Don't know what those are, but they're more plastic pieces. All right, so this is like the part that goes down, like the what do they call that thing? Valance? Splitter? I don't know. Maybe this goes in the back. I don't know. I'm looking over at the looking over here at the box to see if I can tell. Okay, this piece is this thing here. Looks like this inner part. Looks like to me, but I could be wrong. But it looks like maybe it's that inner part of it. Yeah, it is, because here is your, that would be the very bottom part that you would tear off the very first time you drove it to the grocery store or something and it hit the curb. Oh, that's if your wife was driving it. I'm sorry, I'm just joking. Could you imagine coming home and your wife drove it to the store and ripped the carbon fiber front valance thing off? Some more body kit panels. I'm sorry, I'm not good at this. Like, heck, if I don't know what it is, I can't really tell you about it. Don't know what it is. Like, here's two black little things. Dang, Matthew, that was an awesome unboxing. You didn't have a clue what that stuff was. And so here, I do recognize these. So right here, it's got that mesh right there in like the air intakes, probably for the brakes and wheels. Ooh, and that's what that is. Got the mesh. Oh, here's your brake calipers. Those are cool. Look at that. It's neat. And some more just body parts of some sort. Here's your windshield wipers. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Wow, the windshield wipers actually look really good. Already molded in. You don't have to try to get your tweezers and glue them on there and accidentally stick it to the windshield. Those look nice. Very nice. They made it simple. They did. It looks like they made it simple, but yet very detailed. I mean, really, I'm not being sarcastic. The detailing is very nice. If you can notice, right up in here, there's some, see the lines that are inside there? That looks nice. Don't know what that's for. It looks like yeah, the headlight. That's the headlight area. So there you go. Very cool. And just your inner, looks like the wheel backs or something. That's what it appears to be. Maybe some suspension parts of the steering. Maybe the front wheel steer or something like that. I don't have a clue what these are. Here's the engine. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Not bad at all for just a sort of curbside. You know, it doesn't really have a full engine, so that looks nice though. They did a very nice job with the details. Got Lamborghini on the valve covers. How you would get in there and paint that, I don't have a clue. But I was going to see if it had a picture of it on the box, but it did in the instructions where they painted it. It looked nice. And just other parts and pieces. Maybe these are the ones for the front. I don't know. But yeah, those look nice. And the bottom side of it wouldn't be seen, so it's not detailed. Thunder. Here's one more. Looks like the rear, under the rear. That's what that is. Right there. And some other parts. Some other parts. You've said that a couple times, Matthew. You do not know what they are? Nope. And here's, looks like a set of hinges, possibly for the rear engine compartment. And here are your brake rotors. Now they're in a pretty cool, like, they're trying to simulate maybe carbon fiber, but they're already in a, man, it's starting to thunder. If it sprinkles here in South Georgia when it's like 100 degrees like it was today, you will have a thunder and lightning storm at a sprinkle. That's just the way it is. That cool air, I guess that's how it works, mixing with the hot air makes electricity. Never figured that one out, but yeah. But anyway, the brake rotors, very cool, very cool. And the wheels, those are nice. Look at that. And it's got these it's like these covers to go on the wheels. So there's the one half of it, and you add this other part to make it deep. Look at that. That is killer right there. Ooh, that made the door shut. Did you hear that? Now this is what I said, oh man, that's cool a while ago. The tires, so this thing is stanced, right? You know what I'm saying? It's got the camber in the rear wheels and all. Kind of stanced, got they're angled. Look how the tires are. See that? It's like, I guess they've made the tires so that, you know, it can, whoa, there went the power almost. Uh-oh. Good thing the camera doesn't run off electricity. But yeah, those are very, very nice detailed tires. As I talk over the rain on the tin roof, but yeah, those are nice. Super nice. There's not a stitch of, man, that power is just a flickering. There's not a stitch of flash, you know what I mean, like rubber flash on these tires. Those are so cool. But yeah, they're very angled, and the front ones are as well. So I'm assuming they did that so they can get that stance look without the tire. So if you had a flat tire and it just was straight across and it was stanched, the outside of the tire would be off of the ground. But the way these are, they can lean, they can lean, and the whole tire is going to still be on the ground. That's very cool. Good idea, Aoshima designers. There's all kind of stuff hitting the roof outside. I hope it's not softball size hail. I don't know if it's pine cones or what, but anyway, I know it's getting kind of loud with all that outside going on, and the power could cut off at any minute. So I just wanted to really quickly run through this kit. I can't wait to build it, to be honest with you. I think it's going to be super cool. And thank you to Mark over Hobby Nut Models again for supporting this channel. You guys go over to hobbynutmodels.com, linked in the description of the video. Click on that link, it'll carry you straight there. And if you were to purchase something by using that link that's in my description, I'll get a little credit for it. But even if you don't, go over to Hobby Nut Models and check out everything that Mark's got. Got some cool model kits, and yeah, everything to go along with it. So go check him out, as well as the Facebook group. Thanks to all my contributors over there at the Facebook group. You're great, guys. Thank you so much. And Patreon members, hey guys, I really appreciate you. So thank you to whichever way you support me, whether it's Patreon, whether it's if you have sent me something in the past, or if it is through the link, go on Hobby Nut Model, support me that way, or you're watching this video, and that's the greatest support of all. If you don't mind, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think of this kit. And do you have it? Have you built it? It's going to be fun. All right, guys. Hey, take care, and sorry for the extra rainy noise, but at least that rain outside is cooling the temperatures just a little bit. But unfortunately, it's raising the humidity as we speak. But all right, guys, take care. See you on the next video. Bye.